See if I can get it right today and make sure I'm actually recording. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Beautiful afternoon out. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Beautiful afternoon. It's dry for the minute, so always good to get out while you can. Oh, Bud's just had a crazy 10 minutes with another fur baby. Although that one was a boy and it was trying to hump Bud. I'm quite lucky. Buddy ain't really seen any of that, so yeah. Even though he's got all his bits, he doesn't try and hump your leg or anything like that. So. Right, come here. Good boy. Hang on, wait a minute. Oh, that's it. Always put him on the lead when there's elderly people, because God, I'd be mortified if he jumped up and knocked someone over. Oh, it's a lovely day. Bud, don't take me for a walk, please. Oh. Sorry if it's windy. Quite enjoying that breeze today. But don't pull me, I'm going to end up falling over. Buddy, nicely please. Good boy, go on. So many people over here today. Isn't there, Bud? Hey? Getting up quite angry. What a gorgeous afternoon. I'll teach him to poo near the bin. Carrying this around all the way. I think a few people have said, why don't I go live? But sometimes when I take him walking, he goes to the toilet about 3 times. So it's just like, what would I do with the camera while I'm picking up the poo parcel? I am full of cold. But it's that time of year. Oh, there's a big bird flying up there. Probably can't see it. Wait for me. want a treat. Okay. Give me a sec. I've got to get it out of my bag. It's nice to get out in the air. I was trying to get my teenager out for a bit because he's not been well, but he just don't feel good enough to be out at the minute, unfortunately. It's gorgeous. Always say it. Oh, I do wish I didn't have to carry this poo parcel around. It makes for a different aroma when you're walking, that's for sure. Come here, bud. This way. This way. Bud. See ya. Good boy. Might just do this one with music because I'm so tired today. It's nice just to be quiet and not speak at the minute. Oh, thought we got away with the roll in, but no. It's gotta be done. Blood does love to roll. Luckily though, he ain't rolled in any cow poo or dog poo. I'll probably jinx myself now, you watch. Excuse me for the cold. Oh, some parts of this grass are so long, they fell over. Come on this way. Good boy. That's a good boy. I've got to be careful he don't get through the fence with these bloody horses now, because he's learned to get under fences now. Watch that one. What are you doing? Come on. Whew. Always feel better after a walk. Hope you don't go near that fence. It's got a battery attached to it. That'll give him a little ting. Oh, excuse me. What's this? Good boy. Well, whatever you get up to today, hope you've had a good one. Happy Wednesday. Yeah, we're just going to walk back now. It's gorgeous over here. Said 1,000 times, I know. But have a good one, take it easy.